Bakit maraming na-foreclose? Kasi nasi-sweet talk ng ahente yung buyer. Akala nila mura, di nila tinitingnan ng big picture. Offer low down payment for 3 years. Wow, ang gaan. 15,000 a month lang daw. Pero price pala ng property, 10 million. Pagtapos ng 3 years, bank financing na. Guess what? 95% pa ang ilo-loan mo. Yung 15,000 mo, magiging around 80,000 per month na. At yun ang babayaran mo sa bangko for 15 to 20 years. Kasama pa dyan, insurance at taxes na dagdag buwan-buwan. Real estate buying is emotional at financial. It requires preparation, budgeting, at due diligence. Hindi basta-basta, wag magpadala sa sweet talk. Pag-aralan mabuti, compute mabuti, at magtanong sa expert. Kung di pasok sa budget mo ngayon, hindi ka nahuhuli. Mas okay ang ready ka kaysa magsisi sa foreclosure later. Watch this video to see what I mean.
Just 15,000 pesos per month and no down payment. Sounds like a great deal, right? But here's what it really means. The 15K monthly is for the pre-selling phase, the time when the condo is still being built. Your payments go to the developer and act as your down payment, spread out over a few years. That's why it seems affordable. But once the building is finished, the developer will now ask for the remaining balance. Most buyers can't pay millions in cash, so they turn to a bank loan. Let's say it's a 10 million peso condo. You do 15K per month for 3 years, and that only covers 5% down payment. The remaining 95% or 9.5 million pesos is now financed by you or the bank. Assuming you borrow everything on a 15-year loan with 7% interest, your monthly won't be 15K. It jumps to over 80,000 pesos per month. So from 15K per month, you will now pay over 80K per month for the next 15 years. That's why when buying property, don't just compute the promo monthly. Compute the full picture. Pre-selling payments now and mortgage payments later. Buying property can be smart, but only if it fits your long-term cash flow, not just your short-term excitement.